Hello, welcome back to Mid from Pottery. A little change of pace today. I'm going to show you how I make a slab for some upcoming projects. Now, used to use roller and pin, canvases, all that stuff. A lot of hard work. What we use now is a slab roller, highly recommended from Potter's Bits. Link will be in the description. So it's engineered by Potters for Potters. So we've got a canvas, we've got two lightweight canvases. So what we do, we set the gauge of that. So the gauge I am using is that's my standard thickness for slabs. It's about 5 or 6 mil. Put that in there, set the gauge, and then what we do, we raise it up and we do 3 passes on the clay. So canvas on the base, get a bit of clay. So this is reclaimed B17, and literally just squish it out into a sort of rough shape. So I've gone for a disc shape. We put it on there, squash the front edge, then we put our other lightweight piece of canvas on the top like that, and then we put the heavy canvas over, so that them 2 bits of canvas can slide so it doesn't grip and wrinkle up the clay. And then we wind the handle across that way, and when it stops rolling we go back like so. Open up the first canvas, and then to flip it over, what we do, because it's wet and it sticks to the thin canvas, peel that off so it's not stuck, lightly place it back on the top, and then grab both bits of, so we're grabbing the bottom bit which it's the clay is still stuck to, so we can lift it up, gently place it down, get it into position, and then unstick that bit of canvas now. So we'll peel that off, gently place it back on, adjust our gauge, so we're 2/3 now, put our main canvas back over and wind the handle until it stops, and then wind it back. And then same for one last time. So we unstick the top one, put it back on, lift both to gently flip it over, put it in position, unstick the top canvas, gently place it back on, main canvas over, adjust our gauge for the last time, so that's our thinnest point. Winds the handle till it stops, and then go back for another pass. And that is our finished slab. A lot easier than a rolling pin. So we will unstick that one. Now, to get that off there without flexing it, we're going to put it on a board. If I can find a decent board that fits, so I'm just going to give this a quick wipe down so there's no bits. We're going to stick our clay. Not using that side, but I'll get a wipe over. So we're going to put that side down above our clay, and this bit's still stuck to the clay. So what we do, we fold that edge, or hold that, and that, because it's stuck, will lift the clay over, and then we can peel that out of the way, and there we have a slab of clay ready to work on. Well, nearly. Got to dry off a little bit. So this will be the first part of this video. We're going to make a slab built dish out of some previous bits I've just done, and one of them is going to be a scrafitoed pattern on it. So we're going to let it dry a little bit, and we're going to put some coloured slip on that surface, and then we're going to carve some geometric shapes out of it. And what I normally do, especially on that side, because they've got to be flipped over, so what I tend to do is get a nice smooth edge. So you do this on both sides, so while it's this way, just to get rid of any little marks or anything like that. And it also helps compact the surface a little bit, to stop it bending and warping as much. So that side, I will run that smooth edge over like so a few times. That'll do, that's nice. So that's then just got to dry for a little while, because they're very wet, you can't really build with them in that state. So that is our slab building part 1. The making of the slabs. Potter's Bits, made in the UK. Highly recommend it, and they're a lot cheaper than some of the big brand items as well. And you will be pleased with it. So, I'll see you in part 2. So remember, clears the way. See you in another video very soon. Bye for now.